Hi, welcome back to Sean's Eye View, and this week we are in Bali on Kuta Beach, and we're starting our walk back to the hotel along the beach from here, Beach Walk Mall. Beach Walk is a really nice modern mall with all the major brands that you'd expect to see, and it's good if you're in the area, somewhere to head to for an afternoon. As you can see, it was quite a windy, overcast afternoon. So we were here in early January, which is why the Christmas decorations are still up, and Pop Mart is sponsoring because Labubu is still a big thing in Asia. Also big in Asia is this coffee chain, Arabica, very highly recommended. The upper floors have a number of nice restaurants, and there's some hotels here adjacent to the mall. So if you're in Kuta, definitely worth a stop by. So time to head to the beach and take a walk all the way around the bay there, past the construction, back to the Anvaya Hotel Resort. As you can see, not the best for sunbathing, but very good for surfing. So there you have it. If you're planning a trip to Kuta, I would recommend staying at the Anvaya. The beach here is actually the best beach that I saw this day. Here are some other videos from Indonesia you might enjoy. You can now support us through membership, so just for 99 pence a month, it would be great if you could help. Thank you, and please do comment and share. We always like to hear from you. See you next week. Bye bye.